How to double space in Google Docs. In text formatting, a double space means sentences contain a full blank line, the equivalent of the full height of a line of text between the rows of words. By default, most programs have single spacing enabled, which is a slight space between each line of text, similar to this text right here. Now, to double space, what you want to do is select the text that you want to double space. For example, I want to double space the entire first chapter. I'd select this, and the icon that you want to press is this one. It's called line and paragraph spacing. And here you have the single. This is how single looks like. As you can see, the lines of text are way closer to each other. And here's double. So as you can see, with double spacing, you used up more of the page. So I'm gonna have to CTRL enter for the subchapter 1 to automatically go to the other page to separate itself from chapter 1. And that's how to double space in Google Docs.